Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Buick LaCrosse. First, make sure your vehicle is in a safe, parked location. Next, activate the Bluetooth function on your mobile device through its settings. Then, on your Buick LaCrosse's infotainment system, press the phone button to begin the setup. This easy method will have you connected in just a few moments. Once you are in the phone menu, choose the option to Pair Device or Add Phone. Your Buick LaCrosse system will then guide you to start searching for available Bluetooth devices. A unique 4-digit PIN will appear on your vehicle's display screen. Remember this number, as you will need it for the next step to successfully complete the pairing. Now, on your mobile device, look for and select Buick LaCrosse or My Link from the list of available Bluetooth devices. When prompted, carefully enter the 4-digit PIN that was shown on your vehicle's screen. Finally, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system to establish the connection. After successful pairing, a confirmation message will appear on your Buick LaCrosse's display. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free calling and wirelessly stream your favorite audio directly through the vehicle's sound system. Your mobile device will automatically reconnect each time you enter the vehicle, making future use seamless and convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.